people come together, strangers, neighbors, our blood is one. Children of generations, of every nation, of kingdom come. So don't let your heart be troubled. Hold your head up high, don't fear no evil. So fix your eyes on this one truth: God is madly in love with you. So take courage, hold on, be strong. Remember where our help comes from. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Salvation is in His blood. Jesus, Lord of heaven, and friend forever, His kingdom come. So don't let your heart be troubled. So hold your head up high, don't fear no evil. Fix your eyes on this one truth: God is madly in love with you. So take courage, hold on, be strong. Remember where our help comes from. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Swing wide, oh you heavens, let the praise go up as the walls come down. All creation, everything with breath, repeat the sound. Oh His children, clean hands, pure hearts, good grace, good God. His name is Jesus. Swing wide, oh you heavens, let the praise go up as the walls come down. All creation, everything with breath, repeat the sound. All creation, clean hands, pure hearts, good grace, good God. His name is Jesus. And our salvation is in His blood. Jesus, Jesus, Lord of heaven, friend forever, His kingdom come. Hey guys, Armand here from Worship Guitar Skills, and today we're going to be looking at a really cool song called Good Grace, and it's from Hillsong United off of their album called People. Now, I've done this song a couple of times in our church, and it's just been a song that has really been easy to sing, and the lyrics in this song really is so powerful and so declarative. And it's really one of those songs that when people sing it together, you can just feel the atmosphere shift. You can just sense the presence of God so strongly. So I really thought I wanted to show you guys how to play it. So this is just a tutorial on how I play this song, Good Grace, on the acoustic guitar. So with that all said, let's jump into it, starting off with the chords that I used for this song. All right, cool. So the chords are very, very easy. The first chord that I used is G5. And now I'll play G5. You can see on the screen right now. Instead of playing the normal G, G5 looks like this. So I basically mute the A string with my middle finger over there. It's G5. Second chord I used was G sus4. And this was very important, especially in the intro of the song that has that. That hammer on and that pull off. So that's actually just two chords that I'm shifting between there. So it's the G sus4 and the G sus2. Then I also had a C add 9, which looks like this. You can also play it like this. But the same principle that I use over here, by removing the third within this chord, I do the same in the C, and I remove my index finger. And I mute the D string with my middle finger. So you can see, there's my G5 to my C add 9. Here's my G5, and then there's my G sus4, back to the G5. Alright, and the last two chords that I used in the song is the D sus4 and the E minor 7. I think you'll notice in the performance that I did of this song, I used another version for D as well, which looks like this. I think sometimes, especially in the bridge, I use this with that. Swing wide, all you heavens, let the praise go up as the walls come down. It's just a very nice sounding D chord. It's exactly the same as a normal C. If you would play a C like this, you just take that up 2 frets. This is really a chord that I love to use a lot, especially when I play in the key of G. I always use the C add 9, the E minor 7, the D sus4 to the normal D, also the D sus2, and then also this D shape over here. Alright guys, so there you have all the chords. Just one more thing on the chords, you don't have to play all these chords. You can just stick to normal chords if you want to play G, C, D, E minor. These are just the chord shapes that I used to this song. And I think they also used it in the original track, which is quite essential if you want to really play this song like they played on the record, because there's a reason why they use these voicings is because they just really sound so nice, especially with the song, and with that whole intro being very acoustic driven. It really adds a very cool dynamic when the acoustic guitarist is playing this. Alright, so there you have it. Those are the chords that I used for this song. Let's go ahead and check out the predominant strumming pattern that I used throughout this song. Let's check it out. Alright, so for the intro, the strumming pattern was basically down, down, up, 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 down. Down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down. And with that hammer on, it sounds like this. Down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, up. Cool, and you also notice that I do add in extra strums, like a quick down up here and there between them. I think the idea is that it's not strictly down, down, up, 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 down, because then it could easily sound robotic, where a good thing to learn would be just to listen to the song a lot. And the more you listen to the song, the more you get used to the rhythm that they actually play in that intro, and just to allow your hand to kind of feel it out a bit. So a lot of it is about feeling. We never want to just, if you look at my right hand now, you know, it's like very forced and very pushed. You want to kind of feel it. As you can see there, I even skipped some of them. But you'll notice that my right hand is doing this, or my strumming hand is doing this the whole time. And basically I choose when I want to hit those strings. But it's going down, up, all the time. So think of that rhythm like dum, bam, da, dum, da, dum, da, dum, da, da, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, 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 down. Alright, that sounds kind of funny, but that is how I do the strumming pattern. Go ahead, practice that strumming pattern. Once you're comfortable with the strumming pattern, try to play around with some of these chords that you learned. If there are new ones, practice getting familiar with changing between the chords as you do the strumming pattern. Let me give you an example of what that might look like. Down, up, down, 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 up, down. Alright, so just play the strumming pattern through once, change the chord. Play the strumming pattern through once, change the chord. Until you get very comfortable with doing those chord changes. Because the reality is, once you are really comfortable with doing those chord changes, also depending on the level that you are at currently, for some people it might also still be a challenge to play the guitar and sing at the same time. Now we will cover another lesson where we talk about playing and singing at the same time in the future. Also feel free to comment below and let me know what are the things that you would like to improve on as it relates to playing the acoustic guitar and leading worship. So please leave a comment below, and I'd love to cover some videos where we discuss your guys' questions. Alright, and then a final strumming pattern that I use in this song is very simple but it's very essential to the song, and it's just a driving down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you especially hear this, I think, is also in the organ. The organ is playing kind of like a 16th note driving pattern, and it just really helps for the acoustic guitar to emphasize that. And that's what I played in the chorus was. Right, so you can hear that it really adds momentum to the song. It really pushes and drives the song forward. And it's also an opportunity as an acoustic guitarist to build with the rest of the band. So I always make a point of it to listen, especially to my drummer. When the drummer is doing 16th note builds or 8th note builds, I definitely make sure that I accentuate that on my acoustic guitar. So I think in this case, the drummer is just playing on the right cymbal with his right hand, and he's doing 16th notes. So ding 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 ding. And that's how I add to that. Then when we get to the interlude, whoa, whoa. Then you can hear us switch back to the other strumming pattern, which is just a lot more open sounding. Because now even the drummer is playing open. And therefore, I swap that strumming pattern again. Alright guys, that's it for the strumming pattern. Once again, those are the chords that you need to know for this song. Let me just run through them again so you can have a refresher. It's the G5. It's the G sus4. It's the G sus2. It's the C add 9. It's the E minor 7. It's the D sus4, and then I also have this version of D. And once again, the strumming patterns. The first one was down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down. And then the second one was just down, up. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to let me know in the comments what else you guys would like to learn as it relates to playing the acoustic guitar and leading worship. Our passion here at Worship Guitar Skills is really to equip you guys so that you can serve your congregations with excellence and really steward the gifting that God has placed on your life, because God has called you to be a worship leader, and He's gifted you with the ability to lead, and we want to really make sure that we do our best to support you in that and to help you equip yourself so that you can be all that God has called you to be. So thank you so much again for watching this video. We really appreciate it. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever we release new videos. Alright guys, that's all from me for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.